everybody, at the end of the last video, we had just finally figured out how to tap these holes. Since then, I've ran 11 or 12 parts, today is Saturday, with the goal of having them ready for product photography on Monday. Other than one stupid mistake on my second carabiner, I haven't broken a single tap. It's looking like we finally have a reliable process here. Anyway, I'm gonna get these in the tumbler and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, Scott, so I wanna do something that we have not done yet today.
Okay, what's that?
So I wanna take a couple minutes in the morning to do a lean 3S or 5S or whatever you wanna call it.
I don't know what that is.
I know.
Okay.
So basically the idea is you take 20 minutes, half an hour out of the beginning of your day, every day, to make improvements to the shop and your workplace, etc., to make it more efficient. If let's say you're able to save a minute of your work every day, like if you're able to do something that makes your day 1 minute more efficient and you do that every day, it doesn't take long until your day is like an hour and a half more efficient.
Okay.
If we go with the Pearson version, it's sweep, sort, standardize. So we start by cleaning, put things away, and then we start standardizing how we do things and where things go. Then we also make them more efficient. Hey Google, set a 20-minute timer. Yeah, do you want to start by sweeping? I'll start by taking care of things on workbenches. Let's do that quick, and then we can start working on some shop improvement quick type stuff.
This is today's lean improvement. I made sure all of the laser tools had a home.
Now that that's done, I'm doing two things at the same time. I'm gonna be powder coating, and then I'm gonna be making more scales over on the mill. I'll be doing basically the same thing I did last time, except this time, I'm not gonna be running coolant because I think that was causing issues with the tape coming up. I'm just gonna be running my air blast. I have learned one lesson why I've been powder coating here. For production, I can't powder coat the cores and the scales at the same time. Now, for time reasons, I'm gonna do it while prototyping. The problem is you need to have kind of an ideal temperature of your part when you spray it with the powder coat. Can't be too hot, can't be too cold. If it's too cold, the powder doesn't stick as well. If it's too hot, you get too much powder built up. The problem is the scales heat up and cool down very quickly. The cores have a lot more mass to them and they take more time. So I'm always compromising on one part or the other right now by doing them together. In the future, I'm gonna do a batch of scales and I'll do batches of cores, but not today. I don't have time for that. And while I was doing that, this should be nicely cured now. I improvised some hold downs with some scrap titanium, and I added some strategic hot glue. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this program up and save these parts here. And let's see if we can do this recovery safely. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit slow to get down to the material. I think we're good. We are not good. Let's just pull that whole section out and start again. The only thing left to cut is over here, and that part should be fine. And we're running again. Yeah, it'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. I need to go get new tape. I had this tape laying around. I thought it would work, but it's just been nightmare after nightmare. As you can see, we had some part ejection. Somehow didn't break the tool, but ooh, that was not pretty. On the bright side, I think this candy cane might still be okay, which I think means we lost 2 candy canes throughout this project, so 1 complete carabiner, which I guess isn't the end of the world. I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Thank you for watching. If you wanna buy something we make, you can do so at designedeverything.com, and I'll see you next time.